Kimberly again with Knit for Brains, and I'm going to start a series called the One Skein Wonder. And I'm going to show you how you can take one skein and make something out of it. Oftentimes I have like a scraps, or more importantly just like an errant skein that I don't know what to do with. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to have a series of projects of ideas that you can do with one skein. This week I'm going to start with the Mandala Thick and Easy, Thick and Quick One Skein Wonder. This one has 97 yarns, and I'm going to show you how to make a baby hat. I'm going to show you how to make this baby hat with this one skein, and I'll include the pattern at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. All right, we're back. Here we are. We're going to do the One Skein Wonder. I am using the Mandala Thick and Quick. We are in the car driving, so this should take about an hour, a little under an hour. We're going to be doing a herringbone baby hat using a size 6 hook, and we'll see how it goes. Make sure if you are ever crocheting or driving that you have got a CDC, crocheted designated chauffeur, right there, baby. All right. Well, sometimes the best laid plans don't quite work out that way. But hey, who knows? Maybe this flower pot hat will become the latest craze. So instead of frogging this project, I decided that maybe this could be a happy accident, and I finished it. So I'll make that hat in another episode. I wanted to show you the herringbone stitch. I only go through the top loop, the back loop rather, so you get this nice ridge in the pattern. Gives it a little bit of texture. You can see here in the baby hat that I go through both loops, so you don't have that texture. I'm going to show you now how to do the horizontal ribbing at the end. As you can see, you do single crochets down the ridge, and you do a slip stitch across to join them. Here you can see I'm doing a whip stitch to join the beginning and the end of this row. And you're done. So there you have it, my One Skein Wonder happy accident. Baby hat turned into flower pot, which I actually love. One skein, that's it. Thanks again for watching. I hope you've had as much fun as I have. And remember, not all mishaps are bad. I hope you find happy accidents in your day. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and share the fun with someone else. Until next project, this is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. Cheers!